Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So today I am back at Anfield for the Anfield Road expansion update. Going to get around, have a good look. It's match day tonight. Liverpool playing Real Madrid. So yeah, I've got a lot to get through. Got a lot of comments to address and a lot more shout outs. They're coming in thick and fast. Also, I'm doing a Prime KSI Prime giveaway today, so I'm going to hide the Prime somewhere at the end of the video. It's match day tonight. If you watch the video before you go to match, try and find this bottle of Prime. It's going to be wrapped up in a orange Sainsbury's bag, so yeah, no bugs will get on it wherever I put it. So I'll show you where I'm going to put it at the end. I'm not too sure where I'm going to hide it yet, but it won't be too hard to find, and I'll give good directions of how to get to it. Anyway, let's get on the video. Oh yeah, update on my friend. He is doing well, as all can put it. He's been awake and he's been talking to his family. He doesn't know what's happened to him. He's been asking what's happened. He doesn't remember anything, so he's asking what's happened to him. He's also on dialysis still for his kidneys, and he still don't know if he needs a heart transplant yet. He's still on life support, but he's awake and he can communicate. Well, when I say awake, he's in and out of consciousness and communicating. Okay, so yeah, thanks to everyone that's asking. That's just a quick update on him. Right, I get back to the video now. Also, I didn't want to mention this last time because it was the same time that my friend went into hospital fighting for his life, but I hit 1 million views, and I'm really happy with that. 1 million views in 6 months, so yeah, really pleased. And it is, mate. Yeah, I am, mate. Yeah, just filming it now. Yeah, there it is there. Oh, gonna have a good walk around and talk. Nice one. See you later, mate. Ta-da. Yeah, sorry about that. Someone wanted to saw me with the drone and wanted to have a little chat. Yeah. So I hit 1 million views, not subscribers. I wish it was 1 million subscribers. No, 1 million views since I started, so I'm really happy with that, guys. Thank you to everyone that watched my videos. I really appreciate it. So yeah, marching on to 2 million now, so let's go. So let's get my comments out. I'm just having a look at the pitch because with it being match day, it's all going to be ready to rock and roll for tonight. Let's see when they start on these. Yeah, so yeah, someone said, could Anfield Square be used as a fan base showing the games on a big screen? So if people aren't aware now, I won't get too much into it, but that patch of land just there, it's going to be called it's called Anfield Square, and they don't know what to do with it yet. But someone said showing the games on a big screen, maybe. I'm not sure if the area would like it. There'll be a lot of beer in there, a lot of shouting, a lot of screaming. Maybe keep that to the grounds. I don't think the locals would like it. Okay. Someone said that the church and the pub were being incorporated into a cop expansion. So that's behind the cop. We all know because it's been mentioned quite a lot. But wherever you've heard that, it's fake news. It won't happen. I thought they might have started infilling them gaps, but obviously not. Yeah, so that won't happen anytime soon for the pub and the church. How will the old roof be lifted off? So let me just get that into shot. Well, there's the old roof there. Oh, there's all people down there, so hold on, let me have a look here, because I don't want to miss any players maybe warming up on the pitch. You know, Real Madrid players. No, that's going to be all the TV and that. So anyway, yeah, back to the roof. How will it be getting lifted off? As far as I know, there's going to be cranes on the pitch, and I assume it'll get lifted down in pieces. It'd be nice if it come off in one piece, because it'd be good to get footage of, but I think it'll get cut into pieces and taken down that way. I mentioned last time that a lot of people call me Paul. Now a lot of people are calling me Paul, but it's a little bit of banter. So I think the funniest one was, I've got one question, Paul, who's Kev? Which I found funny, so thanks for that. What else? Oh yeah, behind the Kenny Dalglish stand, someone said there's exactly 3 houses to be knocked down. I think that's if there was to be an expansion of the Kenny Dalglish stand. I think it's more than 33 houses, isn't it? I think it's 33 houses on one side. Yeah, you're gonna have to knock at least 4 of them roads down, so that's 2 streets that would have to be knocked down, so it's going to be more than 33 houses. Why are the gaps in the front spans? I've sort of just covered that, haven't I? Well, that starts to be infilled, so yeah, you can see what as it starts being filled, or is that just took the camera out? I think it starts being filled there, so they're going to get infilled and then the plastic sheeting put on top, and that's how the roof goes on. So remember, at the front there it looks like there's 5 spans, but there's not, there's only 3, and then they'll infill the 3. Okay, right, so I'm being as fast as I can here, guys. Let's get a different angle. Walking, talking and reading just doesn't mix. So let's get a look over here so people can have a look and make their own decisions on what they think is going to happen around here. Okay. An FC supporter from New York City is going to the match v Arsenal in April, and sitting in the Upper Annie Roads. Asking what the atmosphere would be like in that stand. I sit in the Upper Annie Roads, and it just depends on the game. There's a big lift going on there. Sorry guys, let me just get over here. See that big piece there getting lifted. Yeah, so I sit in the Annie Road stand, and it depends on the game. You know, it's Arsenal, it's going to be exciting, especially if it's a close game. It's the ground's going to be rocking. It'll be like a European night against Arsenal. So yeah, don't worry about the atmosphere, it should be alright. Where else are we? Oh yeah, someone said they spoke to the stadium manager, and the cop in the Kenny Dalglish stand won't be getting extended. Skerry Roads is majority private residence, and the pub and church can't be moved. So as we kind of already know that, I don't think you say it won't be done, but at the moment it can't be done. So where are we time wise now? 8 minutes. So I remember in my last video I said I had this radical idea that could change football. Right, just hear me out on this. Gonna get a bit higher, look at the pitch. Now my idea, now I thought about this 20 years ago, but it couldn't be done. It was just an idea I had. Now if every single club in the Premier League had the very same size pitch dimensions, I had this idea about 20 years ago of projecting players onto a pitch. So while they're playing live, they could be projected onto a pitch elsewhere the same size, and it'd all match up. But now, if you've seen holographic technology, I think that could be done. I'll try and put an example on now of some holographic technology, and it looks dead real. Now, I'd like to hear people's opinions on this, because it must be getting thought of, you know. Because you could even build a stadium, 50, 60, 60, you could have 2 stadiums for one club. One could have the fans in, watching the real players, and another one could have all fans in, watching hologram players, and you really wouldn't know. And also, when they're playing away, You can't get a ticket to a away game, it's just impossible. Holographic technology at the home grounds, get all the fans in. Charge £10 a ticket, £20 a ticket, people would pay it. So that's my idea. I'd like to know people's thoughts on that. I could go right into this, but I don't want to go on too long. Right, so I'm going to get into my shout outs now, so I'll get over the park. Right, move on to my shout outs now. I've got about 11, I think, so I'll get through these as fast as I can. So Mark Smith, his nickname is Spar. He's from Ringwood, Hampshire. Been a Red since 1976. There's your shout out, mate. I'm going to be careful how I say this. It's erectile dysfunction, okay? Spelled differently. There's your shout out, mate. Let's Have It Met TV. There's a shout out to you. Stu Robbo has been watching me from the start. He said, thanks a lot, mate, and there's your shout out. Thank you very much. Woodsy is his YouTube name. So Scouse Robbie from Brighton wants to give his daughters Abby and Molly a shout out. They're both living on the Isle of Skye and they're both about to make dad a granddad in a few months' time. He loves you girls a lot. Okay, so there's your shout out, and congratulations on the pregnancy, and I hope you both have bouncing baby cop-heights. Okay. Malcolm Garside wants me to give a shout out to his 6-year-old daughter Hannah, who loves watching my content. Thank you, Hannah, for watching me. I really appreciate it. And she also loves watching RB Love Liverpool FC. You never walk alone, Hannah. Okay, thank you for watching. We've got Lucozade99. I had quite a good little conversation with Lucozade99. He is from South Africa. He describes himself as Afrikaner. He wants a shout out to him, so that's to you, Luke, and your dad, who is known as Uncle D. So thank you for watching, guys, all the way from South Africa. You know, it means a lot. And we had a little good conversation about the cop, because in South Africa cop means hill, and spy on cop means spy hill in South Africa. And we all know the cop was named after a hill in South Africa during the Boer War called the Spy on Cop, where a lot of Scousers died during the Boer War. It was only when the cop was built that a reporter from the Echo said how much it looked like the Spy on Cop from South Africa, and that's how it got his nickname. So yeah, but we had a good little conversation about that, and he gave me some information that I didn't know. So there you go, Lucas899. Dara Donnelly, there's your shout out, mate. And finally, Joel Westbury, there's your shout out. So that's all the shout outs done, that's all the comments addressed. So anyone wants to shout out, let me know. I'll do my best to accommodate it for you. So finally, I'm going to hide this bottle of KSI Prime, okay? So watch out for this one. I'm going to switch over to my phone now. So here we are with this bottle of KSI Prime there, you can see it. So I'm going to stick it in this orange Sainsbury's bag. 1 second. Okay, there it is in the bag, and I'm going to stick it in the bush just here. There you go. So if you can see Divock Origi just there, if you look down in the bush, there's the orange bag with the prime in. So yeah, special edition KSI Prime, and it's just there opposite Divock Origi. Okay, so just give you some where exactly to find it. Here's the stand. I am in the park. Okay, so walk over to the hedge, facing the stand, look for Divock Origi, and down you go. Orange bag in the bushes, it's got your KSI branding. You find it, my Instagram's on the screen now. Can you send me a picture or a little video of you finding it? Thank you. Right, look after yourselves, I'll speak to you all soon.